Good evening, class. Good evening. Good evening, class. Is my voice audible? Let me. It's very sad to say. I'm living in the outskirts of UP in Kanpur. Earlier, I was living in Delhi in my hometown. So, okay. Great. Is that you were saying something about uh, some sound? I think the sound has been gone, I guess, isn't it? The disturbing sound. So, first of all, let's confirm if I'm audible or not. Yes, sir, audible. Okay, good. Second is can you able to see my screen? Can you able to see my whole screen? What we have here? Okay, audible and everything is visible. So sorry to be late today. It's just earlier we used to take classes on Google Meets or um, on the other platform, Zoom platform. But this is first time I'm taking on YouTube. But this is taking too much of my bandwidth. So that's why things are not working so well at the moment. Um, so I need to do something with my internet bandwidth. That's why it took me some time to get attached with everything and to make it started. Second of all, today is just an introductory class. We will just discuss about how our classes will go on from now onwards, who we are, what we are doing, a little bit about yourself, and then we can see how things are working. Screen is not clear. Just increase the quality of it. Make it to 480p. Then it will be visible. Um, so we are myself. First of all, Dr. Simranjeet Singh. Um, who am I? What I had done. A little bit about my CV here. So basically, I did my BTech in biotechnology from Chandigarh, and then afterwards went for my masters to Germany in agrobiotechnology, and also did my master thesis from Max Planck Institute of Heart and Lung Research. Then on the basis of that, I got my PhD at University of Göttingen, which from the last few years many Nobel Prize winners are being going through. And I did my PhD at the Institute of Pharmacology and Toxicology at the University Medical Center. And its project was related to the redox regulations of protein phosphatase 1 and ER stress regulation in cardiomyocytes. So after finishing my PhD, I came back to India, and then I started as assistant professor at Mata Gujri College. So basically, I switched to our teaching part after done with my PhD. Then after teaching there the genetics and cytogenetics and plant biotechnology to agriculture and biotechnology students, I started with Edufabrica in July 2020, MBBT, where I started actually the course MBBT at that time in July, and it's still going on with good pace number of students. And also we have started at that time with biochemistry, proteomics, principle of plant biotechnology, principle of genetics, which you are might be have also registered for the same. Then I'm at the moment at the Rama University in Kanpur as assistant professor, where I'm dealing day-to-day work related to curriculum and the studies of other students. I have also one paper in Scientific Reports Nature with this title with the redox reduced activity of BP1 under reduced redox stress. Condition is a consequence of glutathione mediated transient disulfide formation. And I'm also very well versed with the various analytical techniques, histological techniques by myself, proteomical techniques, molecular biology techniques. So if you have any questions, if you are any of you who are part of, uh, if any of you part of um, in PhD or in master thesis, if you need to know anything you want to look for, so you can always ask me personally on the Telegram. So, बच्चे screen is not clear. Screen is not clear also. 480p, but it's showing that 480p in my case is, so you can see here. So if I make it to 480p, it's available. So don't worry, we don't need to see the small parts at the moment. So basically, when I will be giving you the presentation, so in the course of presentation, so I will be giving you presentation. Some PPTs will be provided to you. Everything will be done with the help of PPTs here. So nothing like um, okay, it's working for Hina. That's good. Um, every day you will get some PPTs after the lecture is over. So you will have a good number of PPTs by the end of this topic. In molecular biology, so basically you will be dealing with the various analytical techniques from molecular biology to proteomics to yeah, all electrophoresis, your basics of molecular biology. So I will be dealing a lot of things in here. So let me start with what we will be doing in this part. So so this is the objectives for the 25 hours training program. So this used to be for 10 days earlier, but now we have switched to the 25 days. In this we will have our Saturdays and Sundays off. um, yeah, we will do the western blotting. All these things will be clear in this part. So we will be dealing with all the techniques. So here where was it? So yeah, so it earlier used to be for like 10 days, but officially we had started from 30th of January. So these Saturday Sundays are switched off. So mainly of working will be from 1st, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 days, then these 5 days, then these 5 days. So it's become 50. So somewhere we will be finishing by 24th or 25th of Feb with this course. And our Saturdays and Sundays will be off during this time. And we will be meeting at 7 to 8. And please students, whosoever have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it today. So there will be some already recorded session there, and whatever things that we're talking at the moment, it's already being recorded, so you can come back and watch it there also. And before that, if you're interested with other techniques, other part of chapters, you can also always welcome to check my channel. So I will be happy if you subscribe it. It will really help me to boost my channel. So I had already around 670. So I just need around more than 200. Then it's good to go for my channel to start it. Yeah. All right. So let's start with the introductory part. So on the first few days, we will be dealing with the basics first, because I need to teach you basics because it will help you to be ready for yeah, because some of the students might be not aware with the basics of molecular biology and biochemistry techniques. So I will clear the first year basics of molecular biology. Then we will start with the cell culture techniques and microscopy. Then we will start with a slow pace with molecular biology techniques. Then recombinant technology techniques with part 1 and part 2 divided into 2 parts. Then comes your proteomics parts, protein quantifications, separations and purifications. Then in the 6th day, we will deal with the separation of molecules by electrophoresis. Then comes the blotting techniques on the 7th day. Then the 8th day, you deal with the facts analysis. Then the 9th day, you deal with the bioinformatics and computational biology. On the 10th day, applications of the recombinant technology and molecular biology technology. So in these 10 days, you will be dealing with variety of topics from various things. So I will share this part with you in your so each thing whatever I'm talking to you will be shared with you on daily basis. So this is for 10 days, but we will finish this in 25 days, each day 1 hour with each technique. All good, all good. So this was about your duration, about timings, about the introductory part, what we'll be dealing with. So how the sessions will be done, it will be done with the help of PPTs, which will be shared. And whosoever has been part of the internship, they have to write one review article. For that, let me go through with this part. So in the review part, we have to basically summarize a one particular research topic and write about all these things in particular, like in 5 to 6 pages. It should have various references. It should have various things that should be of your own, and it should not be copied from one journal or any journals. So it should be your own work actually. So you have to write it in your own words and bring it to the paper, and we will try if we can publish it also later. We will try our best. So that will be the students who have focused for the internship part here, that they have to write one review articles. So in that you have to write, the first is a title page, then comes the title, then your name, then date, then comes your abstract, then it should approximately should be 200 to 300 words, and it includes a summary of the review questions, the primary study reviewed, and conclusion of the study, and it should not cite references in the abstract. And in the introduction, write the topic of the study, which serve as an identification sentence. It should not indicate what the article contains. Clearly outline the order in which every subtopics will be discussed to give reader background about the information. So you will have one is abstract, then the introduction, then comes the main body part which you will be addressing about the topic, then comes the conclusion about the rationale for the review and purpose of the article, and literature cited. So use a standardized reference system. You can use any system for the writing this protocol. So this is how the review format looks like. So I will share this with you. And for the assignments, what you have to do is, so this was one thing for your one part, that is you have to write one review articles for your things. And on the other case, thank you Imam Shah for subscribing. Please, other students, please subscribe to the channel also. It will really help me to grow me further. Okay, now comes to the assignment part. For the assignment, what you have to do is you have to write some articles, like the summary of the things that we will be dealing in each day. If I'm teaching you about basics of molecular biology and I have shared with you 2 PPTs, yeah, Nishant, I will give you the example. First, let me complete about the assignment topics. For the assignment, you have to write a 2-day summary, 2-page summary about it. Like it should be about what you have learned from it. So it should come into your in a 1 day, 1 or day to whatever you have learned. So you should bring them into a summary part, so that you are able to summarize, and it's good for you to bring it in the future, so that you can just revise these things before going to exam, and you can just go through it. So I will share one example who have written one day one assignment as a summary on a 2-page. So just try to make it small. And about review format, to be the how should be the review format looks like. So there are some topics for internship you can choose from. You can choose gene therapy, RNA interference, genome editing, drug delivery, DNA synthesis, sequence, stem cell search, maturation of sperm cells, genetic engineering, monoclonal antibodies, cancer cell research, primary cells and transfected cell lines, cytokines, growth factors, cellular processes with growth to achieve the appropriate size, predictive models for cancer cell line specific dependency. dependency. So these are the various topics. You can choose any topics out of them, or you can choose your own topics also. So it doesn't have to be uh, from these topics only. You can choose any topic. And also one more thing, if you want to be in group, you can so you have to start from about the review article from now onwards. So you have 25 days to write this review. And after 25 days, you can have 5 days more, maybe 30 days. Only then you will get your internship letter, not before that. So you have to submit one internship review article, only then you will get your certificates. Those who have be part of internship. And others, the assignment thing is not compulsory, but if you send us, it will be good. And whatsoever work is there, you have to send it on this part. On this email ID or on this email ID. So these are the two email IDs. You have to send your details each day. These are the topics for internship, and I can share with you also some review articles which will help you to understand how a good review article is written. So mesoporous silica nanoparticles for drug delivery. Mahima Shukla and Ruchika Sharma, they from their university. They wrote about abstract, some keywords, then the introduction, then comes there some diagrams, some things there, the body part, then at the end comes the conclusion. So like this, and then comes the references at the end. So in this way, very nice a review article was written, but it has some limitations that it doesn't include lot of references there. It should have at least 50 or 100 references. Only then it's a good review article. It should be from last 5 years, from the last 5 years research, not more than that. Okay. So you can write this review in groups also. So try to make groups. Try to make some groups within this. No, you cannot copy. You have to draw your own diagrams, Upinder. It is not good to copy from any review articles. It's not good. Yes, you can write about bioremedial Vaishali. You can write from that. No problem. Go ahead. So submit date should be around 30th or 29th of February. I don't know which, is it 28th one or 29th one? Yeah, take references from other. So group you can choose. I don't say that it should be less or more. You can choose as much as you want. So you can be three of group, four of group, but not more than five. Yeah, not more than five. It's not good if you're more than going for more than five review articles. Not more than five students together. You can also write alone if you want to do Khushbu. If you want to be in group, you can also make group. Just ask in the group and then go ahead with that. You can select any other topic also. You are open with it. It's all open. Yes, why not? Rishanku Pine, It's very necessary to give diagrams. Without diagrams, it will be very hard to understand your paper. It will give your edge to your paper when you will be presenting. Yes, assignment will be done after we have submitted you the PPTs. From then you can take the help and write your summary about it. Forming group is not compulsory, but if you do from now onwards, it will be good practice for you that we should not work in alone. We should always work in group. So try to talk with each other in the group. Is make a group. Can you talk to each other in the group? Actually, I'm very much concerned. Um, um, and students, please, is that review article only for those who have registered for? Yeah, review article, Sushan, is mainly for the students who have registered for internship, not for others. But if others are also interested, you are most welcome to write. No worries if you are willing to do so. You can always welcome to write it. So it's Bini Biswas. It's not compulsory for them. It's mainly for the students who have want to get internship letter. So that is one necessary things to before publishing it. Bachcha Prashant Upadhyay, to make diagrams in your review article, first of all, it should be apt to your topic. It should be include. Needs to be need of an R in your topic. Only then the diagram has to be there. If it is there, if you're using it, try to manipulate it and try to do some changes in that and write it that you have adapted from this research article. So do not just take away from something. If you're choosing it, then try to give reference to that article from where you're choosing it. So always it's good to give references, otherwise it's not good ethics. So here you are learning in writing the review article here how to be ethical in science while working, so that there will be no problem in the future. Otherwise you will be you could get sued for not writing an apt review article or giving not giving references to the people. So you are not allowed to chat in the group as per the settings. Okay. So because if you want to make group, I will open this chatting thing after the session is over for few hours, maybe today night. And once you made your group, then I will switch it off again, because it's like it's a lot of mess then, you know. Yeah, I will open it for few hours. Do you have any class afterwards today? Any of you? Okay, okay. So try to make uh, how to do this actually. Permissions. Okay, I have turned this on at the moment for sending the messages for the few hours, and then from this you can make your own group afterwards, and then I will switch. So you have today night for talking with each other. Till today night you can make this group, and by tomorrow I will switch it off. Okay. No other group, students. This is the only group. Sorry. Do we have to write the review during the days of the class or 25? days after the course gets over. No, no, you have to write during these classes 25 to 30 days, not afterwards. So it's not good. So you can type in at the moment. I have opened it up for you. Uh, all good. So that's the introductory part, students, for today. Um, the problem at the moment that I'm facing is I was earlier living in New Delhi, but I came to know Kanpur for my another assistant professor position in Kanpur. But I'm living in the outskirts. Okay, I'm living in the outskirts, so my internet connection, I don't have Wi-Fi here. So I'm teaching you with my Geo 1.5 GB of internet, which is hilarious, but it's still working. I'm happy. But I'm trying to engage. I'm trying to engage some better connections in upcoming days. So if some days our connections are not good in this week, so please excuse me. But you will get it definitely better classes as soon as I fix it. So today was my first day, and I want to check how things are working. But so far, it seems everything is fine. We had a really good session for our 40 minutes, and it didn't discharge so far. And I'm very happy that things are working fine with this internet connection. So you can send me docs document will be fine, Sirjani. Docs document will be fine. So if you want to make a group for regarding the review article, so you can make a group from now onwards and start working on it. So whosoever are the internships wale students, get it your own group and start talking over that group then. Yeah. So, Bachche, today was the introductory day. It just to let you know how things will be working. Parul saying how we will be teaching you, how will be the sessions looks like, and I can show you. So, I just have to show you today how to write review format, various topics of internship, the objectives I had shared with you. So, just give me a second. Hello. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. I call you in a few minutes. Just a second. So I mean, if I see the students are less than 100, mostly what I will see that at the moment it's 105 students. If the students percentage gets decreased, it's less than 100, then I will start taking classes um, on the Google Meet. If you're more than 100, then we will be on the YouTube only. So today there is no assignment because we didn't studied anything. Officially, we will start from tomorrow. Today was the just day to let you know how things are working, something about me, and yeah, yeah, it's my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it. I will be very happy if you all subscribe to my channel. Uh, I'm just 250 subscribers away to start in a fresh mode. So if you all could help me to do so, I will be very happy. So, Bacha, in the assignment part, I will be sharing Satya Sayantani Santra that you have to Google Meet can add 150 people. Really, Khushbu? I thought it was 100 people. And that will be very interesting if it could do, because in that we can talk with each other. We can have better interaction. Also not so happy with this YouTube streaming. So for those who need to meet with larger groups, Hangout Meet now allow G Suite Enterprises to organize meetings with up to 250, G Suite Business to 150, G Suite Basic users to. But for the basics, it's 100 participants. So that's for the people who have registered for more than that. Only for it's 150. So daily assignments are not compulsory, but you have to just write a very nice summary of what we have taught you. So, so I have shared you also the summary part as an example. So like this one there. So there's two-page summary about what is cell and all these. So you can look for it. So just create your group on the MBBT training group, talk with each other, and but Microsoft Teams too is its internet connection is also not good. Everyone has to download this app also. Let's fix to. I know Microsoft Teams. Um, so let's see if we are more than 100 students, then we will continue on the YouTube streaming. Otherwise, it's yeah, we go with this. So anyone has any questions? That's it for today actually. I have to just give you an overview about the things. Anything else you want to know? What is your expectations from this workshop? What all you want to learn? Because at the moment in the college, I just finished with teaching students about fundamentals of biochemistry and biotechnology. And beyond that, I have also taught analytical techniques in biotechnology. So these are the subjects I recently have taught in the college. So I will be very happy to know your perspective, that what are your expectations from MBBT, that what you want to learn from this. Because here I will be giving you more preference of teaching the some virtual workshops, teaching you more professional way, that you can learn the experiment point of view, not the theoretical point of view. So that will be my highly interest in that. For that, we will be dealing with a lot of videos also with related to each technique, so that you can learn them and have a better view about it. So that is secret. It's not open yet. So we will see slowly and slowly how things we will flourish. Okay, Nishtha, you are in BSc Biotechnology. Okay, want to learn more about techniques. I hope in the next 25 days you will learn a lot, and you will be more confident about these techniques in upcoming time. How? Shari Ganguly, you can choose any topics that you're looking for. Um, so so don't worry. You can let us know later in the group. Yeah, piano, Roy. I understand if we things learn more practical way, that's always interested. That's what my interest is. So that's why I don't wanna be like a typical professor who just keep showing you some PPT slides. So I will be more teaching you about recent trends. Yeah, something related to that also we'll be dealing with Vishali. Um, so letter of recommendation, statement of purpose, MSc entrance exam. Okay, sure, sure. So yeah, we will be dealing with PCRs, RT-PCR, gel electrophoresis, agarose gel electrophoresis, 2D gel electrophoresis, you know, some protein quantifications, affinity chromatography, HPLC. So we'll be dealing each part little by little every day. So it is designed in a way that you can have of each technique little by little something more about it. Bache Abhay Shrivastava, I'm not your actual professor in the college. So I'm actually a trainer in this Edufabrica, so I will be not right person to do so. Shreyasi Sarkar, to hand-on experience, I will highly recommend to ask in university if you could do. But at the moment, it's not possible. But we're bringing this thing in the future so that you can learn them in the future aspect of it. No, Afreen Imrana, this course will be not basics. It will be get more advanced day by day as we proceed. Initially, it will be quite basic in the first 2 3 days, but then we will go to with advanced techniques also. Yes, Bhupinder, you will get it everything that you're looking for. I hope uh, things will be better for all of you. That's what we're here for. Piano Roy, yeah, no worries. I can understand being a PhD student, a lot of things going on. Try to adapt with these techniques, and hopefully you can do some techniques in your PhD also. Rajneesh, a little bit we will do basics first, then as the time proceeds, go in advance. Yes, Sharik Ganguly, you can choose your topics if even though if it is repeat, but it should be something more unique, something more applied. I will be more happy with that. Yeah. S- So we will be dealing with CRISPR-Cas9, yes, cytogenetics, recombinant biotechnology, all these parts will be dealt with. So yeah, we will be teaching you all these parts. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, Bhavya Gupta, that's what we are here for, to learn things virtually as much as possible. So I will try to teach you less of these techniques, but try to be more um, But the main problem that I'm facing at the moment is within this 50 minutes of session, I have lost my 90% of my 2 GB of internet. And if I'm using them in the morning somewhere, so I might not able to use it in the evening. So this week will be difficult for all of us to work on the internet part, but soon it will be get better and better. So don't worry, be with me, things will be fine. Bache Anjali Sharma to get LOR, letter of recommendation, because we are not official professors. Your LOR from us, it will be not heavy weighted for your future. I will be giving best professors under whom you are doing your projects. They will be the best person to give you this. Bache Asmita Sinha, we having this bioinformatic course for 10 days. So maybe you can try that one, but I will be teaching with a very basics part here because I am not bioinformaticians by profession. I was more into the molecular biology and genetics part, genetic engineering, but nothing related to that so far. So students, my internet quota is finished, so I could be switched off anytime. Yeah. Sharik, thank you so much for your comments, for giving me this 4G data voucher or work from home pack, sir. I already had, I think I still working because of that 30 GB data for 1 month, but it somehow it's the air, the internet connection where I'm living. The towers are not so good. So I was very scared that I might not be able to take class, but it's worked out thanks to God. Things are working positively. But because I will be playing a lot of videos in future, so I might need more bandwidth. So I have to work on it. But I think things will be fine. Don't worry. So on that note, that's it for today. If you have any questions, you can ask me later. Or tomorrow we will see us at 7 p.m. and we will start with the basics part tomorrow, and then we gradually go higher and higher. Okay? Yeah, Shirasi Sarkar. It will be very helpful. Yes, yes, indeed. Afterwards, you can have things done with the help of these workshops. We will be dealing with some virtual workshops in upcoming time. Okay, students, if you have no further questions, yes, Amrita, you can write it to your review articles to your own topic. I will be happy if you want to. Yeah, Chinmay, you can write in your CV that you had one internship program from IIT. I don't know under whom you will get this time. So you can strike it as a golden thing in your CV. So that will be helpful for a job applying. Of course. No, no, Nishant. We will send you always a fresh link for your YouTube streaming. So not this link. So we will have you will have different link at that time. Okay, thank you very much. It was pleasure meeting you, and hope to see you tomorrow also for more work, more things. Be with me if the internet goes off. So I will try to reconnect it again in the upcoming time, so that we can have continuous flow of information flow during these sessions. So just excuse me for this week. Things will be better by the next week. Yeah. So I'm trying to engage to get things done better for all of us. Okay. Thank you very much. It was pleasure meeting you. Wish you all nice evening. All the very best for your future endeavors. Make the best out of it. Yeah. All the best for your tomorrow work. See you Tuesday, same time, same place, with same energy and more learning. Yeah. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Cheers. And yes, please subscribe to my channel. It will really help me to grow. Thank you very much who have subscribed. And others who have not, please subscribe it. Okay then. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all.